Hello everyone. I've prepared many great cooking tips for you. These tips will help you transform ordinary eggs into extraordinary dishes. Let's begin. First, we need to separate the egg yolks and egg whites. Here, I'm separating the yolks from 4 eggs. You may not know this, but chicken eggs are one of the most nutritious foods you can add to your daily meals. Just 1 egg provides your body with high-quality protein, along with many vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins A, D, B12, selenium, and choline. In particular, choline is an important nutrient that helps support brain function, improve memory, and maintain nervous system health. In addition, eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants beneficial for the eyes, helping to reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts as age increases. I added a little salt to each cup. Then stir gently to dissolve the seasoning and enhance the flavor of the eggs. Prepare 2 large zucchini. I cut off the ends. Next, using a round plastic tube, carefully hollow out the center of each pumpkin. At this step, apply just enough pressure to prevent the pumpkin from cracking. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After removing the seeds from the zucchini, place the 2 zucchinis on top of 2 cups. Next, I cracked 4 eggs into a bowl. Add a little salt and mix well. Add some chopped cilantro and green onions. Green onions add a subtle aroma, while cilantro enhances the flavor and makes the dish more appealing. Canned red beans are placed in a sieve, and then the water is drained off. Then rinse with clean water. This step helps remove any preservatives present in the red beans. Finally, I poured all the red beans into the bowl and gently mixed them in. Red beans have a nutty, soft texture and are rich in fiber and plant-based protein. When combined with eggs, the dish not only has an interesting texture, but also becomes more filling and nutritious. Now comes the most exciting part. I slowly poured all the egg whites into the first zucchini, filling the hollow space inside with the egg mixture. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. I put the pan on the stove and added some butter. Once the butter had melted and started to release its aroma, I sliced 1 tomato into bite-sized pieces. Arrange them at the bottom of the pan. The tomatoes will release their natural sweetness during cooking, making the dish juicier and more flavorful. Next, I spread a layer of the egg and red bean mixture on top. Use a spoon to spread the red beans evenly across the pan. Then about 70 grams of cheese. Then spread a layer of grated cheese evenly over it. Then pour the remaining egg and red bean mixture on top. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. I covered the pot and cooked it over low heat so that the eggs would cook slowly and evenly, while the cheese melted and blended with the other ingredients. When the bottom side starts to turn golden brown, flip them over to cook both sides evenly, then remove them to a plate. I gently place the 2 zucchini slices into the preheated oven. I set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the zucchini out and enjoy. Small tip: peeling garlic is very quick, in just 10 seconds. The basic garlic peeling method for beginners is very simple and easy to do. First, place the garlic clove on a cutting board and use a knife to cut off the hard root at the bottom. Next, place the flat side of the knife blade on top of the garlic clove and press down firmly with your hand. This will crack the garlic skin. Finally, simply peel the skin off gently with your hands, and it will come off completely. This method is quick, effortless, and requires no special technique, making it perfect for beginners in the kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.